Here at Wilderness Auto Service in Chevron in Maple Valley, you know we provide excellent service and repair on nearly all types of vehicles. But we also provide so much more to our loyal customers. Hi, my name is Eric Van Ruff. My family has owned and operated Wilderness Auto Service for over 40 years, and it's our pleasure to be your helpful, friendly aid to nearly all things auto-related. But we also have a U-Haul truck and trailer rental service that makes moving and transporting large objects affordable and competitively easy. Whether you're sending your kids to college, moving across town, or across country, see us for your U-Haul truck and trailer that best suits your needs.
Sometimes people might wonder if snow tires are really needed. For those with lighter winter conditions in areas that have road clearing services, all-season tires can be sufficient. But if you live where it's common to be in the low 30s with snow or ice often on the road, or you frequently head to the mountains for winter sports, winter tires should be considered. Why? They are significantly different than all-season tires. They have a tread design with larger gaps which increases traction on the snow and ice. They are formed to drive at temperatures below 45 degrees. Some even have metal or ceramic studs to increase traction on the hard-packed snow or ice. And don't make the mistake of thinking that all-wheel or four-wheel drive vehicles don't need winter tires. All-weather tires do get you going a little bit better, but they do not necessarily help you stop or steer better during severely slick winter conditions. Winter tires on an all-wheel drive vehicle optimize your stopping grip and improve your startup and cornering grip. Sure, there are a few cons with snow tires. Purchasing them, they are not cheap. Getting them on and off your vehicle, and most decrease your gas mileage a bit, and some can make road noise louder. But the advantages of installing snow tires on your car far outweigh the cons, since they give you more safety than all-season tires.
Our reviews say you should come see us, so come see us. Wilderness Auto Service in Chevron and U-Haul, located at Maple Valley, 23701 Maple Valley Black Diamond Road. And we're on the web at wildernessautoservice.com.